guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again, guys. Today I'm just here to thank all of you guys for being there to support me to reach this milestone, guys. 1,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I've been looking out and watching these videos and sharing from the beginning until now. I just want to shout out to all the YouTubers too, who've been supporting and helping. Guys, I really appreciate it. I just want to thank all of you guys, and I want to say thumbs up, guys. I know YouTube, it's a lot of work, honestly. Going into it, I didn't know it was that of a challenge, I should say, but trust me, guys, YouTube is a lot of work. So I just want to shout out for some of you guys who just started. I just started myself, but I started 3 months ago, and I want to tell you guys, you have to be consistent, and you got to have a strong mind, and you got to keep on pushing and don't give up. It's a fight, but you got to fight it. All right, it's a road, but it's a rough road. You got to prepare for it. It's not easy. It's a lot of work, guys. There's some challenges there, but guys, trust me, you got to have your head on. All right, and guys, as long as it's something that you love to do, that you're doing, just keep it up. I would say whether you're cooking, vlogging about something, your life story, guys, you got to put your whole mind in it, and keep on pushing and never stop, and have faith. You know, that's me. This is my passion. You know, love to cook. I've been doing it for years, and still doing it. Even today, I'm still cooking. Guys, I'm right here. I'm in the kitchen, right? Still cooking. I'll show you guys what I'm cooking. Look at that. I'll show you guys in a bit. But I just want to say thanks again and again and again for the 1,000 subscribers and more. All right, because it doesn't stop here, right? You got to keep on going up and up and up. So this is a thank you video I'm doing today to thank all the supporters out there, all the YouTubers who've been there for me. Thank you, guys. It's a teamwork, and you know, we're all in this together, and keep on supporting each other. And I just want to say thank you again. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm cooking today. All right, hang on, don't go anywhere. So guys, that's my sweet and sour chicken I'm having for dinner tonight. So I just want to show you guys, I'm always in the kitchen, all right, putting recipes together, and I got noodles there. I got veggies that I'm doing as well, but I just want to show you guys what I'm having for dinner tonight. All right, yeah guys, so as I said, it's a lot of work, you know, and I'm always in the kitchen putting recipes together. And right now I want to show you, I have my folder right here. I make recipes, I put in there. I'm always trying to create something, you know, and that's how you got to do it, and you got to keep on pushing. You got to be creative. That's what the C stand for in the chef, okay? Doesn't matter if you're a chef or not, guys. That's just how it is. As long as you're cooking, you got to create stuff and, you know, make new recipes. So guys, thanks again. 1,000 subscribers. We're going up. All right, I want to hit more and more and more. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.